This coffee maker set, which is made of North American black walnut. I like the color because its wooden earthy tone really matches to coffee or coffee beans. The assemble is very easy. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. Now we have finished. This is how it looks like after it's been assembled. Now let's make a pour-over coffee with the set. Alright, add the coffee ground into the ceramic filter. After the bloom, we can start making coffee. It tastes wonderful. Enjoy the coffee. With this coffee maker, you can also make slow dripped iced coffee. Let's show you how to do it. Here I've got 40 grams coffee ground, around 200 grams of ice cube, and 100 gram cold water. It also comes with 3 black silicons. Place them around the edge of the glass to make 3 points. So the ceramic filter can stand on the top. Now, add all the coffee ground to the filter. Next, we pre-wet the coffee ground with half of the cold water. So it's about 50 grams of cold water. Then we place 2 or 3 ice cubes on the top of the wet coffee ground. Okie dokie. Let's move them inside. Remove this black silicone ring. slide the acrylic cylinder into the wooden ring so it won't move around. Place the black silicone ring on the top of the cylinder. Now let's get this drip pot. Add all the ice cubes into this drip pot. And place it on the top of the black silicone ring. Add the rest of the cold water into the pot. You can adjust the speed of every drip. Final step. Put the lid on. Now it's all being sealed up in this cylinder. During the process, no dust or other smell will go inside to affect the quality of the coffee. Let's come back after about 2 hours. Now it's been finished. Let's have a look and remove everything out. I can't wait. Let's have a taste. Wow, the ice slow drip coffee really gives very special and very unique aromatic taste. It's so cool and sanitary to make your own ice slow drip coffee.